Hey everybody, today I'm going to go over how I made this ghostly potion bottle. So the first step is you're going to want to take an Absolute bottle and you paint over the Absolute brand so you don't see that color shining through. And then the second step is to take your piece of lace and you measure it to be the radius of the bottle and just cut that. And then you'll see with my lace, the bottom of it's that nice scallop detail. And so on the top, I just kind of cut around where the lace eyelets are because I felt like that gave it a more finished look than having it just go straight across and be blunt. So then just take some tacky fabric glue and where the eyelets are on the lace, that's where I chose to glue. And that particular one, I end up placing it on that black circle on the top. That's also part of the Absolute brand. I just kind of wanted to cover that up with the lace. So in this step, just make sure that you're really securing the lace good to the bottle because you don't want it slipping around. And then once you have it secured in the front, you're going to want to take your lace and just secure the back of the lace to the back of the bottle. Now once it's all secured to the bottle, what you're going to do is just make sure that I had this little tiny piece right there of lace that needed to come off. It just didn't quite look right. So make sure your lace is looking the way that you want it to. And then the next step is to take either some yarn or some twine. And you basically want to wrap it around the lace. I feel like this just kind of gives it more of a finished look. It's not just a piece of lace. And so again, what I just did was I measured out the twine to the radius of the bottle, a little extra because I want to make a nice little bow. And so I glue the rope or the twine around the bottle and then make my knot. And then I did the same thing to the top, just because I felt like then it hides the line of your paint. And so it just makes everything look really nice and polished, which is very important to me. Just want to make sure things look nice and polished. And there you go. There is your ghostly potion bottle.